Hi, this is Debbie Baker. Um, I'm here with just to talk about something that comes up every once in a while about, do you want to do your documents yourself? Going to be a DIY person? And here's the advice. Don't do it. The challenges of doing documents yourself are that you have no idea if they will work in the state for which you're creating them, because they're not created by people who are necessarily compliant, that's the legal word, compliant with whatever state you're in. For instance, there's at least one state in the union, and I'm not sure which one it is, that requires 3 witnesses for a will. Most states require 2. And if you do one that only asks for 2 and you live in a state that requires 3, you've effectively created an invalid document which will not serve your family at all. And you cannot customize anything in a DIY environment. But the last several years in my powers of attorney here in Florida, we don't necessarily give somebody the right to create a trust, the power of attorney to create a trust. And we always insert something that allows the agent, as they're called, to do Medicaid planning, whatever that looks like. It's a whole other topic. And if you do a power of attorney by yourself and it doesn't have anything in there, and you personally need to do some Medicaid planning and can't do it yourself, the person you've appointed is really out of luck. And you could be in a more horrific position than you would be with that provision in there. Do not do it yourself. And the other thing I learned is, as an attorney, if you called me and said, Deb, I created these documents off of one of the online platforms, will you review them for me? I asked a colleague once, she said, absolutely not, because they're not created by attorneys. And you don't want to review a document that wasn't created by a licensed attorney. Don't do it on your own. I mean, there are prepaid legal services. There's more than one out there that are staffed by attorneys licensed in your state. They are membership only. They are very reasonable in fee, at least the one I'm familiar with. And you're better off doing that, so at least you're dealing with an attorney, than you are just downloading a form from the internet. I haven't had anybody call me and said, I'm in big trouble now because I did this by myself. I'm not looking forward to the day. And I have colleagues who have. Just don't do it. Forget the Nike commercial. Or you can use Just Do It and hire somebody who's experienced in the field and will get it done right. So thanks and have a great day.